Now I want another application. I want to show, for example, here the labels in this way so that I can change So to do this accounting, I want to have a symbol here. I can also have this, the currency. I can also change the currency if I want. Okay, it's an exercise for you. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to close, I'm going to insert a ready button from here, currency. And here the option is currency. Then I'm going to insert another one, which is option number. And then here we have number. And then I'm going to insert another one, which is opt scientific, and just the type scientific. And on all these, I'm going to use this. I'm going to check this, define number format. Here I pass the following: opt val as integer, whatever it is. Then we can do for it. This one. Then we have this, else if, and this again. Okay, and if this is in position, this is position 3, this is in position 2 here. I'm gonna copy this, I'm going to my dashboard, and I give value 1, and I can also define this by val, because I'm passing a value. This one is already a number. I'm going to number, pass number 2, then I go to scientific, I pass 3. I'm gonna save. I need to select the chart. We do like this. Usually I'm gonna do this. We do this. Yeah. So I define my chart first of all, and I'm gonna activate it. And once it's activated, I'm gonna do this selection. So number, scientific, they are not, they overlapped. You can also change this if you want. You can put a rectangle shape around this. Scientific, number, currency. As simple as that. Then you should align all this. Currency, and also currency you can find here. You can do also the following. You can insert a drop down. Combo currency. Okay, currency. We're gonna change if combo currency dot value is equal to 1, then and if else. So first of all, I'm gonna change this. I'm going to record the macro that according to this I'm going to format this text options, label options, number, currency, and symbol is this dollar or to 0 else and if. Okay, we can also copy this. I'm going to combo. So what happened? Now I'm going to close this currency. Oh, I need to populate this combo currency at item 0. You can change this anyway. 1. I'm gonna now clear. Okay, we have 0 and 1. Okay, so here what happened? I'm gonna take this. Okay, here we are. Number, currency. Now you see that there is dollar. Okay, currency. This one doesn't work. I need to do also not on the drop down. Okay, I'm going to the drop down. If dot value. I think it's like this. So I'm going to my currency here. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna make this. I always debug like this. False, true. So need to do the selection. You can see now that I'm going to change here the format of this. Okay, here you can change, you can input all the values of currency. So now you understand that you can change also these, which are values not related to what I have in my worksheets, but is something that I can do only using Visual Basic applications, because this is something that is not there. So as you can see here, you just need to put this in a better representation, align this if you want, or we can also align them. Format, align, left. You put some border if you want. So this to display different formats.